Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video we gonna learn how we can convert our Android phone into a router, or we can say we can create a hotspot in any Android mobile phone, which give us a facility to use a mobile internet in your another device by using this hotspot. So like you have another Wi-Fi enabled device like your computer, your another phone, your laptop. So just you have to connect with this hotspot. You can easily use the internet of to the another device. All right, so let's get it started after this short intro. Stick around here. My name is AK and you are watching Once Not. All right, so how we can configure it? First of all, go into your settings. You will find the option here, connection and sharing. Click on this. Then you will find this option, personal hotspot. Just click on this one. So here is the hotspot setting. Click on this. This is your, the name is your SSID. Give any name here what you want to appear to the for the another devices. The other device will connect to this SSID. So just put in the name here. Don't try. This is my favorite one, and the password ABCD 1234. That's it. You can define the band here, on which band you want to connect your device. But here is a problem: if any device doesn't have the facility of the 5 gig band, then in that case they wouldn't be able to connect to your hotspot. That's it. Just click on OK, and here you can just allow the maximum connection, how many devices would be connected to this one. So suppose if you are give the restriction to the 2 devices, and only 2 devices can be connected to your hotspot. Here is the data restriction. So suppose if unrestricted, they can use unlimited internet, or you can give any number whatever is defined here, like 1 GB, 5 GB, 200 MB. When they will reach to this data, they will not be able to use more than this limit here. Now we need to enable our hotspot by clicking is here. All right, now go on your client computer or laptop, on which device you want to use this hotspot. So this is my Windows 11 system. Just click on this network icon and search for your hotspot. Here this is. So this is what we created, the SSID on my hotspot. Click on this one. This will ask for the password. Just give the password ABCD 1234. Click on next. So here you can find one device has been connected, which name is Table. Let's see. So here is Google page. So now we are able to use the internet on our system. It's awesome. You can see how fast we can access it, and totally depend on your GSM connection speed on the signal. So now, as we have mentioned here, the maximum 2 numbers of the connection is allowed. So one we have connected, and if you want to allow the maximum connection, then you can add more by clicking is here. Like maximum you can add 10 devices. So once you have done your work, so never forget to turn off this. So once you disabled it, then you wouldn't be able to find your SSID under this list. That's it. So I hope you will like this video. So if you will like, then please thumbs up, and still you have not subscribed my channel, then hit the subscribe button and subscribe me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.